What's up, guys, and how's it going? And today we are going to be playing COD. So let's just go. Okay, I'll kill this guy. Noob. He's dead. Okay, a noob is here. I'll kill him. Let's get that upgrade, bro. Shit, there's someone there. I'm dead. I got disconnected. No way. No way. Hopefully I'm not dead, guys. I think I'm dead, but let's see. Hopefully not. Oh shit, I'm not dead. Okay. Get him, we'll get him. Let's get this dude stack. Okay. Wait. Okay, guys, we got him. Okay, I know where he is. I just need to sneak up on him. Damn it. Okay, this is more difficult. Let's go kill that guy. Yeah, we got him. Oh, there's somebody. Boom, let's kill this dude. Let's kill this dude. How did a pistol do so much damage? I mean, come on. Okay, I'm down. I can't do anything. Oh shit. Okay, I'm killed. Please get my dog. Damn it. Okay, I'm dead, but I did my job. I did 5 kills. I think that's pretty good. And now let's see if they can win it. Okay. I mean, come on, pick that dude up. Can't you just don't you know how to ride a helicopter? Okay, you just left sniping another dude. Oh, he's trying to snipe 2 dudes. Okay, come on. Oh shit. Oh, but then if they're on. Oh, come on. There's a guy in front of you. There's a damn 2 people in front of you. Why are you running into them, you idiot? That's not a smart move. Come on. Oh, or it is. Come on, knock the other guy down. Kill him. Oh my god. This dude. Okay, I think we can win. Only 1 guy is left. Come on. No way. I think this is a winner. Come on. Another kill. I think this is a winner. I think he can. He's a pro. He just killed 2 people. He just boom. What the hell, man? Okay, you can shoot him down. Come on. Do something. He has a clear. Why is he using a knife? Damn it. Okay, I get what he's doing. He's come on, but use a gun now. What? You can't kill him with a knife, you idiot. Oh shit, now I can't see him. Where the hell is that dude? No way. I think he lost him. Even I can't see him. Look at that dude. Oh, just kill him. Okay, it was a good match. Whatever said and done, we came second. It was a pretty good match. Come on. That guy did his best. That guy did his best and he was awesome. Hey, I'm the MVP. Let's go. I have the most kills, and actually this guy has the same kills, but probably I did more damage or something. It's awesome. I'm the main player. So anyway, this was an awesome match. He could have won, but I believed in him. But he killed two people. Like, he just went into them and killed both of them. So I think that after that, I don't blame him. I mean, it might be his fault, but like come on, he's a pro. We saw that just now. So anyway, guys, thank you, and remember LLKS. Bye. That means live life king fire, by the way. Anyway, bye.